Hi everyone, please watch the video till the end. Some people start with 9 minus 9, that's 0. Drop the times 9 minus 9. 0 times 9 is 0. Drop the minus 9. 0 minus 9 is negative 9, so the answer is 9. Or some people start with 9 minus 9, that's 0, times 9 minus 9, 0. 0 times 0 is 0, so the answer must be 0. Both answers are wrong. Let me show you how to solve this tricky math problem using PEMDAS correctly. You do start with the first operation, subtraction, and work towards the right. So I see multiplication, and I work towards the right. I see subtraction. I know multiplication has higher priority than subtraction, so multiplication goes first. 9 times 9 is 81. Next, I drop the 9 minus 9, and you start with the first operation. I see subtraction. Work towards the right, I see subtraction. So you just solve the problem from left to right. So 9 minus 81 is negative 72. Drop the minus 9. Negative 72 minus 9 is negative 81. And there you go.